Hey bakers, today on Boston Girl Bakes, I want to show you how to make my soft peanut butter cookie recipe. I love this cookie recipe. It's packed with lots of peanut butter flavor, but I think the best part is you do not need to chill the cookie dough, and these are ready in about 30 minutes or so. So let's get started. Let's make my peanut butter cookies.
Start by combining your dry ingredients. Measure out your flour, baking soda, salt, and then just go ahead and give that a simple whisk to combine, and then you can go ahead and set it aside. Next, you're going to cream together your sugars and your butter. I like to use unsalted butter so I can then control the amount of salt, and make sure that your butter has been properly softened to room temperature so that it can be creamed together with the sugar. Add in a room temperature egg. It's important that it's room temperature so it doesn't seize up the butter. And then, of course, add in your smooth peanut butter and a little bit of vanilla extract for flavor. And go ahead and just beat that to combine. And then add in your dry mixture from earlier. You want to make sure at this point that you don't overmix your cookie dough, or you're going to end up with really tough, chewy cookies as opposed to really soft ones that you're looking for. I like to simply scoop and roll them in my hands and then roll them in a little bit of granulated sugar right before baking. This is just going to add a little bit of texture and a little bit of sweetness. Place them on a parchment lined baking sheet, and I just go ahead and flatten them a little bit with my hands. And then, of course, for the classic peanut butter look, go ahead and press down with a fork in a crisscross fashion to give that just classic peanut butter cookie look. And at this point, they are ready to bake. These are super simple. They are ready in about 30 minutes or less, which is one of the reasons why I absolutely love these peanut butter cookies.
So that's how you make my favorite peanut butter cookie recipe. If you love this peanut butter cookie recipe as much as I do, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, happy baking.